Hey, what's up guys, Fezo here again. Welcome to the new video. Let me do the short announcement about my next videos. I will share a wallpaper pack for desktop and mobile phones once a week. 1 week for mobile phone wallpaper and the other week will be a desktop wallpapers. Second announcement about the mobile phone videos. I wanna share some customization videos for Android and some top applications for it. Don't worry, I will upload designing videos too, but most of my videos will be about mobile phones. That's all guys, I hope you enjoyed this wallpaper pack. I will share my favorite desktop wallpapers next week. Stay tuned for more, see you in the next video. Enjoy!
Sometimes I need a phone call, but you are still the